Hey guys, welcome to the photo department. This is the first episode in a series that I'm doing called Contact Sheet. The idea for the series is to shoot a couple rolls of film every couple weeks or so, make a digital contact sheet and present the type of film and the camera that I used, and then show you every frame on that roll that I shot. The idea is to basically shoot more film, talk about film more, and present the film that I shoot in a way that provides a good comparison. I do like to talk a lot, as you guys might know already, but I wanted to make this more of a visual presentation with less chatter about settings or gear or whatever, and just kind of getting to the photographs. This is something I've wanted to do for a while, and I'm really excited that I'm getting started on it now. This first episode is a roll of Fuji Superia 200 that I shot in LA last weekend. My band was down there getting ready for some shows we have on the East Coast, as well as our album release. And I just took some shots of my friends and my band as we were hanging out and playing music. Everything was shot on my Olympus Infinity Stylus Zoom. My mom got this camera from my grandfather in the early 90s, and she kept it this entire time, and then I ended up with it. It's a great little point and shoot. It's got some light leaks. It's pretty loud, but it has a flash. It's weatherproof. I'm not sure how weatherproof, but it works great, and it's awesome for just kind of having around with a cheap roll of film in it to capture some moments, and so that's what I did. Another exciting aspect of this series is I really wanted to have this be more of a conversation with you guys. So every week, if you want to participate, just email me 2 of your favorite photos that you had taken recently on film. Let me know when you took it, where you took it, and the type of film and the camera you used. Email it to hello@csturmphoto.com, and I will show at the end of each episode of Contact Sheet the photos that I like the most, probably 1 or 2 of them, and I'll talk about what I like about them. Hopefully this will open up more of a dialogue, and I would love to see more of your guys' photography. So here's the contact sheet, and I hope you guys enjoy.